I'm a big advocate for solar. The conversation typically comes up around topics such as, of course, electric bill, but also just the use of energy in general and new technologies as we continue to progress in this 21st century. The kind of questions that I had, which everyone has, relate to the unknown. It's such a new technology. What kind of impact is it going to have on my house? What kind of cost is there going to be? Is it going to blow up? You know, all of the technical and process questions that you would imagine somebody like me or the general public who is not an engineer, who does not have any specialized knowledge. And working with PayOli, I got a very real sense from the beginning that they really understood it, that they made it easy for me and anyone to understand, and that they would do everything in their power to make me feel comfortable and get it right. So that is a very important impression that I got from PayOli. There are many companies out there that do these kinds of services, but not one that I have seen that will sit down with you, that will take you through all the options, that have a true grasp of the industry and technology, and will bend over backwards to ensure that you're satisfied, that your goals are met, and that ultimately you have a system that meets your needs. So in other words, I was taken aback by how committed PayOli is to solar energy, how committed they are to meeting and exceeding your expectations, and how committed they are to just getting it right and doing right by you, by the environment. And so I was and I am very impressed with PayOli. Everything went very smooth. The process related items that are always difficult, like getting drawings and permits and scheduling to actually get installations, they made it easy. From the very beginning, they worked around my schedule, my family's schedule. They were never imposing. It was always very professional. So I can honestly say there is nothing that could have been done different or should have been done different, because it was executed to perfection. Continued to send and receive messages with PayOli leadership, and I've been impressed as to how engaged and involved they are after the installation of the system and after I'm already in net metering, which is after the system formally turns on within FPL. And so their job is done, yet they continue to care deeply about how the system is working and about my family's satisfaction, and continue to add value, even though their initial service is completed, because PayOli, I don't think just installs solar panels. I believe PayOli is on a mission, and that they feel a contract to perform a service is a lifelong type of undertaking.